Hello Year 2s, I'm going to show you how to make a newspaper plant pot so that we can plant a runner bean. The reason why we're going to make it out of a newspaper is so that once it's grown long enough to be planted outside in the garden, you don't need to touch the roots or touch the plant. You can literally just pick up your newspaper pot and put it into a pot in the garden or straight into your garden. Okay, so what we need is newspaper, a toilet roll insert, your runner bean, and some soil. I also use one of these takeaway tubs, or you can use an empty grape tub or strawberry tub to put your newspaper plant pot in while it's growing indoors. Okay, so to get our sheet of newspaper, we're going to fold it in half so that the two ends meet. Okay, so now we've got the bit along the middle. We're going to take this and we're going to wrap it round. We're going to leave just a little bit of this up so that we can grab it to pull it out. So we're going to roll it like this, and then we're going to tuck in the bottom as we go along. Okay, doesn't matter if it's a little bit uneven, so tuck it all in to the end. That's it. And then I normally just squish it down a little bit on the table just to make sure that's nice and flat. Okay, and then we're going to hold the bottom and then we're going to pull out, hopefully. Okay, so there's our newspaper pot. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put some soil in. So I'm going to fill it up about a quarter of the way. Okay, and then I'm going to take my bean and I'm going to pop it in there. Okay, you can see there's a little white bit on that bean. If you try and get that bit to be pointing upwards, it'll be good, but it doesn't matter if you don't, it will still grow. So we're going to pop that in, and then we're going to cover it just enough with a little bit of soil. Okay, not too much. And then it will sit in there. Then you give it a little bit of water, and every day just check it to make sure it's not too dry, and give it a little bit more water, not too much, just a little bit. This needs to go on a windowsill where it's going to get some sunlight and it's going to be warm. If we have a nice warm day, you can put it out during the day, but you need to bring it in at night time because it'll be too cold and it won't grow. Okay, it'll be nice to see some of you making these and also to see how they're growing. So we're going to keep an eye on them and see how much they grow. Okay, good luck.